Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing pretty amazing. This video is going to be slightly different from my usual videos, and it is not going to be a typical tutorial video. But in this video I'll share with you the mindset, the concept that goes behind while designing a logo. So last week I designed this logo for a website called as Legal Money, and in this website they will upload content and articles around the topic of finance, cryptocurrency and business. So before designing any logo, you must first understand the target audience. Obviously those who are making this website or those who are launching this website may be of the age group of 50 or 60. However, the target audience may be somewhere else, like it can be someone of age 22, 24. So let's understand this. As I said, this website will be uploaded content around the topic of finance, cryptocurrency. So we can estimate that people of the age group from 25, 26 to all around 40, 45 will be interested in it, right? And obviously the teenage people like 18, 19, 20, 22, they will not be interested in it. So based on the age group, we can understand that going with a very fancy logo design will not be the most appropriate choice here. However, a modern, a simple and minimal logo that clearly describes the main objective of the website will be a perfect option here. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I design letter logos, letter combination logos, which are called as monogram logos. So similarly, I went here for the letter L and M combination, L from legal and M from the word money, which is legal money. Initially, I designed some sketches and finally I came up with this design. Now, if you look into this logo, you will find that a lot of things are going on in this logo. It may appear very simple, very minimal. However, a lot of background things, background concepts are there in this logo. Let me explain them to you. The most obvious one is letter M, which is clearly visible at the top. And if you slightly rotate the logo, you will find letter L in the negative space. Now before proceeding, let me just make it very clear. There is no such rule that if there are two letters, let's say L and M in this case, then you have to represent both the letters. There's no such rule. A logo can be anything that is versatile, anything that stands as an identity of the company, of the website, of the brand. So there's no fixed rule that a logo has to be of that type. Okay, you can literally do anything. It has to be versatile and it has to make some sense. Okay, so here, as I said, letter M and L is represented in this logo, but just adding letter L and M will not give the perfect result, right? So what I did is I chose a shape. It can be a circle, it can be a square, rectangle or anything. In this case, I went with this diamond shape. Now why diamond shape? Now, as I said, this website will be targeting the audience between 25 to 40, 45. This age is filled up with people who are into business or doing job, grinding hard to get success in life, right? And this website will be helping them with financial, cryptocurrency knowledge, business knowledge. So in order to show that their service is top quality or a very premium service quality, I have used the diamond shape to represent that, because we know that diamond represents the premium quality of something. It is a very premium material, right? So I've used a diamond shape. So what I do is I basically try to combine a shape with the letters. In this case, it is the diamond shape with the letters. I had in my mind that it has to be, the overall logo has to be of the diamond shape. So I designed the letter M in such a way, and then to give it the look of a diamond, I placed the letter L in such a way that it looks good as well as it represents letter L. Now while doing this, I figured out that I can join this part, and once I join this part, a new concept will come out of this. See, businesswomen or businessman, anyone, they wear business suits, and if you look carefully, you can relate this to shape somewhere. to be very honest, I didn't had this idea before, but when I was making this design, I came up with this, that yes, it relates something to this, and this actually makes it a lot more better, right? Because our entire website is based on a topic of business, and somewhere now it relates to that shape, the suit shape, which kind of adds up like a cherry on the top. So this was the concept which I had while designing this logo. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this concept. And I know it was slightly different from my usual topic. I don't know how many people will be interested into listening this. Let me know what you think of this kind of videos, like where I will explain what was the background process, background concept that goes behind a logo design. And you will also notice that this logo mark is very versatile. You can use it anywhere, like website, app icon, bookmark icon. You can use it anywhere. So this is the main thing which I keep in mind nowadays. Before, in my initial days, I was like, I have to just place together two letters and make something sensible, right? But now I understand that a logo is a lot more. You have to actually see whether the logo looks good when it is scaled down or scaled up, because this logo may be used in a big poster, maybe used in a entire wall, or maybe it is used in small places such as app icon or website icon, right? So you have to understand these things. In this case, if the logo is scaled up, it is going to look perfectly fine. Even if it is scaled down, it is going to look amazing. Yeah, so that was it. And yeah, please let me know in the comment section what do you think of this kind of videos. Like, I have a lot of tutorial videos in my channel. I want to give you guys some background process, the background process that goes behind. And that's all for this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.